So you found the book you want to turn into a feature film, and the owner of the film rights to the book is willing to negotiate a deal. How do you negotiate the option and purchase agreement? Hi, James Pacitti, entertainment attorney and production counsel in Los Angeles. In an earlier video, I discussed how to find out who owns the film rights to a book. Now that you have found the owner of the rights, you have to negotiate the option and literary purchase agreement. There are 5 major deal terms that you will have to negotiate with the owner. The first is the option term and the option fee. As a producer, you will not purchase the film rights to the book immediately. You will negotiate an option. The option term will give you a set period of time in which you have the exclusive right to purchase the film rights to the book. The option lasts for a certain amount of time, usually 12 to 18 months. Now, of course, you want to try and negotiate for as long a period as possible, so seek 18 months, and also try to get at least 1 or 2 extensions on the original option period. You'll also then have to negotiate the option fee. Now, there's no formula regarding the amount of the option fee. It will really depend on the popularity of the book and the stature of the author. A bestseller will be pursued by many, so the option fee could be high 5 figures or more, whereas a more obscure book, an older book, it may be able to obtain an option for a fee of only $5,000 per option term. In some cases, it could be even less, but it's important to pay some type of option fee, even if the amount is not a nominal amount. Second, you negotiate the purchase price, which is the amount that you will purchase the film rights to the book for. Generally, the amount to be paid will be based on the budget of the project, and that is typically 2.5% of the production budget, subject to some exclusions, and usually the option fee will be applied to the purchase price. It's also wise to include both a floor and a ceiling in case the budget is much lower or higher than expected. Third, you'll need to negotiate the author's cut of net profits. Now again, this is a term that will be dictated by the popularity of the book and or the stature of the author, but usually the author's percentage of net profits is never greater than 10%. Fourth, you'll need to negotiate other rights, including at a minimum your right to produce prequels, sequels, and other derivative iterations of the project. Fifth, you'll negotiate how the author will be credited. In most cases, the credit will be in substantially the form based upon the book ABC 123 by Jane Doe, but again, the nature of the credit will be dictated by the popularity of the book and or the stature of the author. After the main deal terms are negotiated, it is important to retain an experienced entertainment attorney to draft the option and purchase agreement to make sure it is done so properly. If you have any questions or if you have a project you wish to discuss, don't hesitate to contact us.